Hey, what's up everyone? So today we're here at Ashwood by Woodside Homes here in Cadence. Now behind me, we are going to be previewing the Astor floor plan, so don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move, buy or sell to Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's up everyone? So welcome to Ashwood at Cadence by Woodside Homes. Now we are here in Cadence. Now just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, Cadence is a master plan community that's about 25 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Now this community is great for families because they offer so many amenities. They have splash pads, they have parks, they have trails, they have like an amphitheater, they have an Olympic-sized swimming pool. So great community for families. With all those amenities said, the HOA is $55 a month and there is no sit-in lids, okay? But anyways, as far as like this community itself, they offer 3 different floor plans and I will have those floor plans on the screen for you. They have 3 different floor plans. They're all going to range between 2,441 square feet all the way up to 2,608 square feet. So it's going to be the Oakley, the Cedar, and the Astor floor plans. Now, guys, when you see the base price, just know that the lot premiums and upgrades are not included. So if you want to actually calculate what the total is, the average lot premium here is going to be about $7,500 to $10,000. Usually, buyers are putting in about 10 to 15% of the base price in upgrades, okay? Now, with this community, they offer both lots in case you want to build from lot up, but they also offer move-in ready homes. Move-in ready homes is obviously it's done, it's good to go. Now the builder picked out all the options. Now if you're looking for the best deal, I would definitely consider one of the move-in homes just because you know the builders are most motivated to sell those. So they have 67 home sites in this community. Okay, the lot dimensions is 45 by 100, so about 4,500 lot square footage. That's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome everyone to the Astor floor plan. Now this is going to be the largest floor plan in this community. This is going to be 2,567 square feet. It's a 2-story, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4 baths, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today is going to be $527,490. Guys, after lot premium upgrades, you're looking at about low 600s, high 500s to low 600s. It just depends on what you put in for your options. But they do have some move-in ready homes for about, I think it's priced at like $620, okay? Again, if you build from lot up, you're gonna have a choice between three different elevations that you could choose from, and depending on the elevation, that's where your base price will change. So they have the Spanish Colonial, Tuscan, Desert, Contemporary. When it comes to the front of the house, okay, everything is included as far as like the paver driveway, the desert landscaping, so you won't have to worry about any of that. Also inside the garage, because I don't think we could get inside the garage, but you're also going to have a water softener loop, tankless water heater, and you have an option. Woodside is the only builder that has this option. The garage depth is usually 22 feet, but if you want to upgrade it to 24 feet, because you have like a large SUV or a large truck, you can do that. Okay, so right over here, you're going to have the side gate. Okay. Now that door is actually not included. That's just because the workers need to access the garage. But yeah, there won't be a door right there. Okay. Dang, I gotta hurry up and film. The sun's coming down. Another thing that's nice about this this house here is it has like it's like a bedroom, but like an ensuite downstairs. So it's like a great place if you were to have guests over, family staying with you, or rent out part of the house. And then you have like a suite upstairs, a separate area where somebody could have their own bedroom and like living room area. Okay, just welcome in. So the entry door is going to be towards the side. Okay, so this is what you see as soon as you walk in. So you have the stairs going to the second floor. Okay, living room, dining room, kitchen. And then we'll go ahead and check out this ensuite right over here. You also have your powder room. This was what the guests would be using. Got your pedestal sink, your toilet. So this would be your closet. So the ensuite, again, you're gonna have some cabinet space. You'll have like a sink over there. It looks like you have a microwave. Okay, so again, great for a guest, or if you what's called house hack, right? Like rent out a part of your house so that they could help you with the mortgage. Okay, so I believe this feature right here, this is walk-in shower. That is an option that you can do. Okay, now this room is going to face the front of the house. Now, as far as the flooring is concerned, again, flooring is, if you're building from lot up, flooring is something that 99% of the buyers do. Is they're going to remove the carpet from the first floor. They're going to put either like a tile material here or vinyl plank all throughout the first floor. Now, if you're interested in a move-in ready home, guarantee you they already did that. They removed the carpet from the first floor. Yeah, it's a hard sale for sure if they have carpet on the first floor. I feel like I don't meet too many buyers that prefer that. I've met like maybe 2 or 3. Okay. So you got, again, 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor, which is a great standard feature. A lot of open area here. Cool. Welcome to the backyard. Obviously, now this stuff is going to be like upgraded. The covered patio itself is included. I'm talking about this one right here. I think this is just an extension. Don't believe that's included. Okay, so when you move in, you'll have this covered patio. You're gonna have the pavers right here. Everything else, all of this is gonna be dirt. The HOA is gonna give you about a year to do your backyard. Okay, so you have your AC unit right there. But yeah, the way you would submit the way it works when you're about to have your backyard landscaped is you're gonna fill out what's called an ARC application. And in that ARC application, they're gonna wanna see a picture of how you plan on doing your backyard. Then you submit it. You could have your landscaper draw up the photo. And once it gets accepted, then yeah, you could start working on the backyard. I get this question a lot too. They're just like, why are the walls so short? These are just the model homes. It's not gonna be like that. When you move into your actual house, the walls are gonna be like regular size. Okay, they're gonna be higher. This is not included, but that is really nice. You're gonna have a hose bib right over there. You're also going to have a barbecue gas stub, so you can barbecue. Okay, looks like they went with the optional stacked cabinets. Okay, beautiful kitchen. You got the optional quartz countertop as well. Okay, built-in cooktop. Dual basin sink. Again, refrigerator, washer, and dryer won't be included. So here, this is gonna be your pantry. So it is a walk-in pantry, plenty of space. Door to the garage is closed. Again, yeah, you're gonna have the water softener loop in there. And then you'll actually have, if you have an electric vehicle, you have a place where you can easily set up your charger. Okay, they have like a 40 amp in there. All right, let's head to the second floor. Now, if you guys are interested in new construction, guys, and you're thinking about visiting a new construction community for the very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you and help you out through the process and just go with you on your very first visit. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, because if you go by yourself, the new build agent's gonna get your name, phone number, and email. Once they have that, they won't let you have representation down the road. You really want representation just because the new build agents look after the builder's best interests, but we look after your best interests. So very, very important. Okay, so this is gonna be one of the guest bedrooms. This room is very spacious right here. It's also very warm in here. Okay, oh man, look at the sun. It's going down. There's a couple of structural upgrades you can do here. So right now, this is like the bonus room, and you have that bedroom, and this is gonna be like the separate bath, right? Cool, you got dual sinks. Okay, shower tub combo. But yeah, if you wanted to, right when you walk upstairs, you could have this closed off, and you would have a, I believe it'd be a door right here, and all of this would be connected. So it's its own, like, I think it's called like a home suite. So you'd have its own, the bedroom and its own living room. So again, great for families that, you know, if you live with your in-laws, or if you live with a friend, you want to give them their own space, their own living room, bedroom, you could definitely upgrade, choose that structural upgrade. Okay, so welcome to another bedroom here. Again, very spacious. Reach out to me if you have questions about the dimensions of the rooms. Oh, another thing too, with Woodside Homes, you don't have the transfer grills. You're gonna have the jumper ducts. So, and you know, the way airflow travels, you have this duct right here. Air will travel through there, come out through here. So that way, you know, wind won't like shut the doors, and it'll help regulate the temperature as well. Okay. Also, something you need to know about the paint. What's included is you're gonna have the two-tone eggshell finish all throughout the house. Okay, so you don't have flat paint in the house, which is great. So this is the laundry room. Again, washer and dryer is not included. You will have cabinets in this countertop right here, but if you want the upper cabinets, that is an upgrade. Also, what is an upgrade as well is if you want this door right here that connects to your primary bedroom. Okay. So, really good space here. If you want a deck, you want a balcony, this is an upgrade as well. Okay, really good sized balcony. The covered patio is included, but the balcony is not. Cool. As far as the bathroom structure, this is optional. The standard shower formation is actually the large shower spa combo, which most people like. That's standard. If you want a tub, you have to upgrade into that. Okay, but look, as you can see, you have plenty of counter space right here. So you got the dual sinks. Okay, you got the toilet room, linen closet, and then we got your walk-in closet. Hey guys, that wraps it up for the Astor floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys have any questions regarding the floor plan itself, or what the incentives are, or if you're looking like for the best deal, guys, I'd be honored to help you. Just reach out to me. My info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. I will definitely catch you guys on the next video.